up?
Yeah, it feels great. I'd like to thank all my sponsors, especially for getting the car ready every week. My mom for supporting me, my little brother, my aunt and uncle for coming down and watching me this week, and all my friends and family. And most of all, this championship, it goes out to my grandpa. He can't be with us today to watch it, but I know he's watching us. So
you had a tough battle in the points chase from Taylor Bowser. Right up until the end there, only just a few mere points between the two of you to pick up this championship. What does it mean to be able to finish off the season like this?
I mean, it feels great. I'd like to give her a round of applause for a great season, running me clean every week, and just a great season.
Ladies and gentlemen, your points champion in the 0600 division, the 21 first